There's a train coming. I'm gonna go down here where I can film over the hill here to point out. Apparently there's trains on both tracks right now at the same time. So I'm hoping to get lucky. I gotta be careful where I step here because that's a long ways down. Coal train. Apparently that one over there probably stopped in the rail yard. I hope there's a mid-train DPU here. Come on! Yes, that's very inappropriate on that coal car. Okay, I don't exactly feel comfortable standing here, I will admit. Reason why that's over 20 feet down to the ground below. Another train. Okay, I know I'm hearing another train. Okay, something's coming down the tunnel. I want to get it. Okay, let me look here. There may be something on this track too. I would love to catch something through that tunnel. Now there is one over there somewhere because I heard the horn blow a minute ago. And then I rushed down here hoping they'd be crossing the bridge. It's still a good catch though. No, I'm not walking across here. I'm just going to the corner here to see the curve. There's something coming the opposite direction. That would make a great video. Now I do hear something else. I'm going to get back there on the path here though. If there isn't a train on this bridge, there'll be a completely separate video. I just don't know if I'm going to get that lucky. But here's the trail. Follow it down to the streets below. In a sinkhole? Yep, good size hole. Okay, they're going to head back towards Montgomery. I was hoping something would be crossing that bridge, but at the same time, I don't have time to, well, I probably do have time to wait. I just want to get the road to a couple other filming spots I know of. Hey, crap! Hey, what the heck was that? Okay, I don't know. I think that might be one of those June bugs. But I want to point this out. Virginia Railway. Well, it says the Virginian. What's this name? The rail line company that built this line. I'm okay, but that scared me half to death. Apparently, that had to be a June bug that made that loud buzz in my ear about giving me a heart attack.